Ginger, honey, and cinnamon mixture to reverse inflammation, colds, flu, cramps, diabetes and cancer. Hey! Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and listen carefully. We all know about the amazing healing powers that tea possesses. Their medicinal properties have been recognized for centuries, with as many different varieties as there are people who enjoy tea in the world. But there is one brew combination that can make defeating illness in the winter feel like a walk on a sun-soaked beach. Ginger, honey, and cinnamon tea. Ginger, honey, and cinnamon are the stars of this show, and their healing powers are on full display in this recipe. Here's what you'll need. 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger. 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed organic lemon juice. 1 cinnamon stick. 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey. 1 cup of filtered water. Bring your water to boil and drop in your peeled and sliced ginger. Once the water gets to a rolling boil, lower the heat and bring it to a simmer. Drop in your cinnamon stick and let it simmer there for about 5 minutes. Strain the mixture and stir in your honey for a little sweetness and your lemon juice for a vitamin and antioxidant boost. Enjoy! The benefits of this tea. Here are some of the reasons why we love making and drinking this tea. While it is amazing at curbing colds and flus, it has a heap of other benefits for you to take advantage of. Ginger and honey are some of the most commonly recognized superfoods, and cinnamon is no chump either. Diabetes. Recent studies have found that drinking lemon and ginger tea has been very effective at decreasing the harmful effects of diabetes. Diabetes can lead to heart disease, kidney disease, high blood pressure, stroke, and eye disease. This tea's antioxidant content can help you avoid these dangers. Nausea, cold, and flus. One of the main reasons that people drink this tea is for its ability to fight colds and flus. The amount of antioxidants and vitamins that this tea contains is astounding, but it's also great at treating and preventing nausea, indigestion and heartburn. This tea is also great at treating indigestion and heartburn. The ginger can reduce bloating and upset stomach and prevent and reduce heartburn after meals. Menstrual cramps, headaches, and inflammation. Ginger is packed with anti-inflammatory properties, one of the main sources of people's chronic pain. Inflammation can also lead to serious health concerns, so it is best avoided at all costs. This ginger tea even blocks prostaglandins, which swells and causes pain in the blood veins. Dry scalp. During the winter, many people have to deal with dry skin, specifically a dry and itchy scalp. A great way to heal and prevent this problem is by ensuring our body has the appropriate amount of vitamin A and C. That's exactly what you'll get with this tea, as it is full of antioxidants and vitamins. Try this ginger tea this season and see just how good you'll feel not reaching for the tissues every 5 minutes. Before applying these recommendations, consult your doctor. Put a like under this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and share this video with your friends.